Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a 1/18 scale ATV Rescue Collection set manufactured by Wild Republic Toys, which has pullback mechanism and is a budget friendly rescue set. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. To begin with, the packaging is a see-through window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box before we crack this thing open. And as we get this open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. Well, before we proceed, first let's take a closer look at these rescue ATVs. Well, at first glance this ATV rescue set looks quite premium and has a good build quality to them considering the price. However, these pullback models have quite a bit of rescue themed details with them and are manufactured mostly of high grade ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and measure in at 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 3 inches in width and weigh in at about 95 grams each. And I should admit that I love the individual rescue theme paint apps along with the branding details, which are spot on with these models. These models also have a pullback mechanism which makes it functional. So let's go ahead and take a look at these awesome ATV models. With these pullback models, you're guaranteed a sturdy replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any toy collector or hobbyist. And I also recommend this for children as they have a good build quality considering the price. And I also want to let you know that you can add these models to your 1/18 scale motorcycle collection, as there is just a small difference and can be matched up without sticking out. So with that being said, let's make a side-by-side comparison of these ATVs with a licensed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle. So let's go ahead and see how they match up. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations, and I should admit that these models visually almost look the same and can be added to your 1/18 scale collection. And as for me, I got this set to use for an upcoming project, so let's stay tuned and see how this set is going to be put to use. And with that being said, let's place these ATV models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at them in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A pullback motor is a simple clockwork motor used in toy cars and bikes. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork motor. Pulling the toy backward winds up the internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coiled spring. When released, the toy is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring is unwound and the toy is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet, and the toy then rolls freely onwards. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spring is less than the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. And for further information on this topic, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this ATV Rescue set that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this ATV Rescue set. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And all this is possible only because of the encouragement and the support I get from you. So please continue to support Dnation, stay tuned for all new episodes coming up, and a like and a share would be much appreciated. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.